Hello students, this is CA Pragnesh Kanabar, Senior Audit Faculty at CA Final and CA Interlevel, announcing a super confident batch for May 23 CA Final Audit in 100% English, which is going to be a fast track batch that will start from 6th February 2023 onwards. And I don't want to speak more about the batches and the courses. Yes, I will do provide some details for your clarification. Otherwise, you can just check our results. Many students scored exemption and also 70 plus marks. And let me tell you, many out of those students, have cleared their audit subject through fast track course. Yes. So it is very much possible to achieve it. If you're feeling down and out, do not worry. We are there with you to lift your spirits. All right. And you can come live and attend this course, which is in 100% English. All right. Hindi recordings are already available and updated for May 23. In this 100% English course, which is going to start from 6th February 2023 onwards, we will have Zoom live sessions. Students, we will give you the recorded backup. Yes, we will also give you the recorded backup, and you will have a chance to solve one prelim exam, and I will check the papers for you. Don't worry about it. All right. So every day we will have live sessions, which will be in the evening slot from around 4 to 9 p.m. All right. And around, let us say, 5 hours lectures per day. So I've given the full schedule over here. 6th February it is going to start. It is going to end on 22nd February. All right. Daily 5 hours of lectures for 17 days. 2 lectures of 2.5 hours with 30 minutes break. So whatever lectures happen today will be uploaded tomorrow as a recorded backup. So on T+1 it will be uploaded as recorded backup. And for the recorded backup you will have 2 views. I repeat, you will have 2 views for the recorded backup. And because this batch is starting now on 6th February, all right, so that is why you will have the validity till November 23 attempt, and you will be covered for the changes in November 23 attempt also. So do not worry about it. Although my recommendation is that if your attempt is in November 23, then do not enroll for this batch. We will have more batches when the syllabus for November 23 will be announced. So if you're going to give exams in May 23, then you should enroll for this particular batch. All right. So do not worry. We will clear it out. You will have hard copy books which will be couriered to you. It is a proper exhaustive material. You will have good practice for standards, non-essay topics, everything. And we are not going to cut down on the content. Obviously, it will be presented in a crisp manner in front of you. All right. For example, when it comes to standards, instead of printing long paragraphs, I have printed the paragraphs only but in chart style. But let me tell you, those charts are also very detailed charts. So you can look at the demo video. Yeah. It is given in the description, the link for the demo video. That will help you to get better idea. Of course, the demo video is of the old batch, so do not worry about it. Otherwise, you will say, oh my God, he's going to give us outdated content. No, the demo video is of the earlier batch. All right. But it will just help you to get an idea about how we go about with respect to this batch. All right. For all the options of audit subject, we have it on our app. You can just enroll for this course from our app itself. Even if you don't want to enroll, do not worry. For free content, you can just download the app. You can be connected with us on our Telegram channel and on YouTube. We keep on generating and creating value bombs when it comes to audit subject, and it is going to help you a lot in your exams. All right. Stay connected with the ecosystem of the Audit Academy, and I am so sure that I will see you very soon as my colleague and not just as my student. All the very best, students. All the very best. Thank you so much.